Why is savings not a good way of investment?
Inflation, it means pesa ciaku cira lose value na 4%. Wena migunda tatu wedi. Taito nyingi. No woka muhuko ri.
Turi kindu.
Bonds mostly, no cione corporate, kana Treasury, kana thirikari. Ugithi primary market, you need to have information. Mundu ura invest bonds ini, mundu ura think long term. Wina mbeca ni cikwaragiria. Nikio njiraga andu mundu emenyeria gukoma na mbeca ciri okuo ni sawa. No hena andu matakoma ciku. Saccos should attract more deposits. When now interest rates yacoka thiri,
Yes.
investors have moved to
Shares.
Once you understand everything, it's important to take step.
Mundu andikitwo wira na miaka 30. Ekuruta wira miaka ingi 30. Angeplan atia future kana retirement package yake.
Gutire mundu teciragia horo wa old age.
Niki tungika nigetha ona cio ciana citu cihote gupik toro njigua mathe akiuga atiri ni ndigitaga huko. Cio ciana ciakwa
igatega huko.
Yatiriri bia ikuonaga ikaumiria oya karamu na karatathi twarie ciegie mbeca mbeca nawe nio twitaga money and you.
Twacokereria thiini wa money and you na gukorwo kiuria kigie shares, bonds, money market, etc. No mbere ya tuthite thiini wa kiuria kiu hari kiuria ngwenda kuria bwana Ndegwa ndimuria atiriri twiragwo ni andu aria mohagire maundu megie mbeca ati mbeca cie bengi ati go save mbeca ni gwa thini ati ukoya ngiri yaku igana uga save account ini itegwika ona ni gutwirire thiini wa previous video ati kuna 5.6 trillion cie thiini wa mabengi maitu. Why is savings not a good way of investment or investing?
It's because okoraga savings ire mostly either we get better because current account ini earning nothing kana savings. Savings account Kenya irakwe an average of below 2% savings account. Wasiga koure kwena kindu gitagwo inflation. Ida around 4% Kenya. Inflation, it means pesa ciaku cira lose value na 4%. Waiga ciringi igana. By end of year wakora
96
it's around the value yayo yathakira kindu 96 value ya mbeca icio. So waiga mbeca no wige mbeca bengi cia mahuthiro ma daily. Tondu nginya cia emergency no wige handu si within reach. No kuiga waiga bengi a big amount iko affectwa ni inflation na he maundu taraguteithia he kundu rathi ukariha tax ku investment ungithi wike na ndurariha tax. Our tax tuge taxes cia Kenya ciongererekeire na ni ure na invest ungithi invest kuri no ndukuriha tax. So you have no cover tax ile maybe uragura handu hangi. Watwara waiga bengi wakora ni hathara urathi at the end of the year wika mathafu ni hathara uthiete. A simple maths to get average return ya Kenya fixed deposit cia bengi omuthi ni kindu he fixed irahi na 5%. No ni tuge ni 6% average.
Yes.
Also urute 15% with the holding tax. Besa irio kuona ri wagirwo kusa kuruta inflation. So, to get 6%, waruta 15%. Figure to get 6%, naked do 6 okay 15%. To get you get 5 point something or 4 point something.
4 point something of what?
4 point something. 4 point something in net return on fixed deposit. Also can root 4%. Yeah, inflation. What you gonna below 1%?
Yes.
So besa ciaku cia grow na less than 1%. Now, turn it this way. Besa icio tigeta kuri. Aria watigera ri ni maracionjorithia. Maracitwara ku. Maracitwara kuria we ungigena information no thi invest. So ungigena information, wena information ri na through your investment advisory ukamenya kuria ungitwara mbeca ciaku na niho maybe ugeci uhoro wa money markets ugeci uhoro wa special funds ta Mansa X treasury bills no wike shares no thiginya wige mbeca ginya Sacco tondu Saccos ni another way of saving on sikire hard dividends at the end of the year if they can give you 12% around 10 point something net minus 4 you're left with 6%. So that becomes a growth so it's important gukorwo we wise kiria ureka na mbeca ciaku at any time ukorwo we so serious na jealous na mbeca ciaku na kuria uraigithia mbeca ciaku but do it with the information na weke just focus investment area regulated in Kenya.
Why is this information very exclusive? Information ya kuria tungigithia mbeca. Is it that tutiendaga go seek information kana this information is only reserved for a certain period of kana is reserved for a certain caliber of people?
Thank you, Jeff. Hena topic twamisire muno ya investment. Na my analysis is based on interaction ile ngoretwo nayo na andu aingi. Topic hiyo ni twamisire na kaundu kangi twamisire ni riri ni haria ndakwiraga tukirorera news yakinya horo time ya business news
nego switch mathafu ni maritu
riu rari gumari horo wa shares bonds treasury bills ni ndu icio now this information eketuge ni ithu tutakinyite level eyo ya kumenya
okay
but now actually comment ira njemanagia nao muno ni mundu wa mwariria ya kwira na ndegwa undu wa njira ri ndarigete kumenya tene niki.
That's true.
Who are the financial institutions? Which are the financial institutions in Kenya? Iria see around us, mostly in fake. The information area mundu so we count gukuheri kana desk front desk mostly in the years back either fixed deposit savings we create a current account na roni with any other discussions but these investments sikoruto siko for many years including the companies ira ciracika but of course ndio kio thirikari ya bila ukomba miaka ya tene so bonds treasury bill shares stoire kuo makaboni maya carbon ciri for example even banks in Kenya is more than 100 years in Kenya so the investment in sikosiku so a time has come and investors ni makoretwo makienda ku understand investments in the investment muno nayo gona level ya capital market authority ikakorwo aggressive ku drive information and then dynamics ya maundu cigacenjia wakora mawira ni maracenjia muno he mundu rari na kihaha wa AI
tago nyandia gashago
maundu ma AI ri na digital sika affect maundu maingi you are very sure I'm sure you are very shocked there are jobs hena mawira meguthi hena biashara ciuka sika affect ukona for example mundu maybe biashara yake ri irari ya hostels peke yake maybe campus ile aratageta gari yari na certain area campus yone ya higa hostels ya gusigwikaro no no menye hostels nyobeo maybe udesignate in design ya hostel so no ndo useje maundu mothe andu makenda kumenya atiriri ni njire ri kwigi tungenda kwigithia nayo so wakora investment andu mako seek information but the unfortunate bit henado makoreto mareheta investments suspect unfortunately andu makarusi besha andu mate besha ri makarus faith na investments what lose faith what do you do usoka ugiatire ni reke ngure kindu kiria ndirona
kafona desige fegi desionage
he mundu twaragia nake twaria nake horo wa investment ri we endete real estate twarikia twaharuka haria thi tugitigana akinjira ndigota gutha kinjira guthe
ngari
nyumba kinjira riu ni higa riu tinge melt nyamu icio ũranjĩra rĩ icio mũthiaga mũkaiya andũ no ĩno ngũtũra njĩkĩte atĩa
ndĩmĩonaga haha
rĩu he mũndũ we wĩtĩkĩtie no nginya ahutie na one nĩguo ĩtĩkie ũhoro wa investment haya rĩu but with information and with time it's important mũndũ aga take time akamenya kũrĩa angĩhota gũtwara mbeca ciake cikorwo ciĩ safe na akorwo akiona return na one value na mbeca ciake
harĩ maũndũ merĩ ndaigua ta wagweta ta rĩu niĩ nĩ ngũraga mĩgũnda na nĩ nyendete gũthiĩ kĩndũ gĩtagwo site visit ngona mũgũnda ndagũrire
na ndege
ona ndigũthiĩ na ndege ngũthiĩ na ngari yakwa
iratwaranwo
ngamĩkĩra maguta gacoka ndĩ kanyamũ ka wifi ngekĩra ka wifi harĩa ngekĩra waithaka wa gin ngauma haha ngathi o matu kuona mũgũnda wakwa ndagũrire hau ĩka igĩrĩ haya agĩthiĩ ngakĩona ngahũra mbica kũu na rĩngĩ no nĩ ngũkua rĩrĩ ka drink gakan gakwa gakũthiĩ gĩkĩnyuaga hau
wakora gĩtingĩ nĩ kĩgũithie
rĩu rĩ ngĩcoka on my way ngaingĩra harĩa kamakis ngarĩa nyama ũrenda kũnjĩra ndĩgũteanga ndĩrateanga maguta na mathaa
ũrĩa ngugĩte gũtirĩ investment njũru na ona mũgũnda nĩ option ya investment no kĩrĩa twagĩrĩirwo nĩ kũmenya rĩu nĩ kũbalance tondũ for example ũngĩaria na andũ a bengi 2018 mũgũnda wekĩtwo even mũgũnda kana nyũmba ciĩkĩtwo valuation kĩndũ 2019 hau I think they were the same valuation by 2021 or 2022 no na hatira appreciation but he kũndũ rĩu ũngĩthiĩ wĩigue in the same period mũgũnda nĩ wa appreciate na nĩ mũndũ nĩ realize a good value he mũndũ ningĩ angĩthiĩ gũra mũgũnda maybe ũngĩigua ya deal one a good deal na mũgũnda ũcio within no time no eka atĩa wawendia so that becomes an option no rĩu ũngĩrora tuge nĩ wathiĩ wagũra he kũndũ ũngĩthiĩ ũgũre mũgũnda nĩ wagũra ũmwe ũcoke ume hau ũthiĩ ũgũre handũ hangĩ ndũgakinya kuo mũndũ ũcio ndũmenya na atĩ ũthiaga na mbere ndũgakũrehera kĩndũ na mĩgũnda ĩkorwo example ũkore wĩna mĩgũnda ta 20 taitũ nyingĩ no woka mũhuko rĩ gũtirĩ kĩndũ but no ũte kũbalance uge niĩ reke njeherie ĩno ndĩnayo rĩ reke njeherie kadhaa thiĩ njige imwe gũkũ imwe gũkũ na hena ũngĩthiĩ wĩige ũguo rĩ no ũhote kuona maybe ona ũkĩraga gũthiĩ gwetha mbeca wĩ nacio maybe ona struggle na maũndũ na assets iria wa investire tene rĩ cirĩ okuo so kwĩna examples nyingĩ cia andũ like I told you I meet new people daily na these are example iria ciĩkuo nyingĩ mũno andũ makĩenda review their investment tondũ wĩra wakwa mũnene nĩ just reviewing and helping you to plan and na gũteithia kũrĩa ũngĩtwara mbeca icio so kwĩna need andũ nĩ marenda ku understand investments ici and I wish the agio ĩho rĩ we can continue with this and we continue tũthiĩ tũkĩranaga na tũkorwo twĩ honest to our investors
watwĩra nĩ kũrĩ njĩra cia shares tarũ nĩ ndakwĩra gĩtũkĩambĩrĩria program nĩ ngwĩrĩ ndaconvince mathi mena mũthee magũre shares cia Safaricom cioka kĩndũ magũre cia 80 nĩ kũrĩ bonds tiguo nĩ kũrĩ infrastructure bond kũrĩ anga bond anga ĩtagwo atĩa nĩ kũrĩ MMF money market fund na nĩ kũrĩ tatwĩre ũtiganu wa indo ici ciothe tageria gũtũ compare nĩgetha mũndũ ahote kũmenya
icio one the treasury bills treasury bonds kwĩ shares kwĩ money markets rĩu iria twĩtaga collective investment schemes kwĩna balanced fund kwĩna fixed income funds kwina special funds icio ciothe ri ni form of investment.
Yes.
One, the major player wa Kenya investment ri ni I would say ni thirikari, because treasury bills no ora issue
ni thirikari.
Hey, get to the commercial papers. Bonds ni ora issue ni thirikari iria nyingi. No ni gukora hwe na company, for example no tuge weta ABL. ABL maybe no mauge ni marenda kuheana bonds, tuge ni marenda gukomba bilioni 10 na marihe within 4 years, na marihe na rate ya kindu 12%, paid twice a year.
Yes.
Nona hiyo ni option ya investment. So bonds mostly no si only corporate kana treasury kana thirikari. Ona we Kenya no access bonds si amafuri manager.
Yes.
So it is possible.
Yeah.
Bonds mostly ziko si long term. Na ziko si na option igiri. Kwa ziko na tax, there are those which are tax free, others have tax.
Yes.
Maybe meda tax itaina tax, but that changed. Isi na thirikari determinaga bond area ekuheana kana ni tax free kana ti tax free. Tax free is very attractive to a lot of people.
Yes.
Todo a tax free it means you are earning better and you are saving on tax. So it's government ndio decidaga bond area eco issue.
Okay.
Haya, thirikari ya issue ina option ya ku access bonds issue through primary market or secondary market. Primary market ni guthie ugure direct from CBK. Nowadays ni marahe ni options ya kuhigura account at CBK.
Yes.
CDS account through an application ya CBK. So it has become very easy.
Yes.
For investors to access bonds. Kana no ule kuma investment banks hirini. So thirikari ya heana mbeca ya igekobitha issue bonds the most in primary market. Apart from reissue in primary market, bond yumaga price ya hand unit price ya bond ni igana rimwe. No yoka secondary market. Ego kali market now kana price ya market. They wakora maybe investment banks kana commercial banks. They mogerera a percentage for their margin because they are also in business. So when you are better off buying in primary market, but I call it dagustaga investment siaku. Here domedaga todo bonds sirehaga every 6 months. Emudo da gukoro ina bonds asifagete omweli. Wate wafanga ya January igakuri hari ngiki July. Ya February igakuri August. Ya March igakuri September. Wasifanga oguo. So ina bond ithathatu urariho omweli. Riu yo no guteithire gweka oguo through secondary market. No primary market it gives you an advantage of price.
Okay.
Na aneho andu magiro ni kumenya ugithie primary market you need to have information.
Yes.
Ugithie kugura primary market bond na maybe in the short term papers they are better than long term papers. So information when you are going there you need an advisor. You need someone to guide you. You go in information.
Yes.
So that is bonds. They are long term. Minimum is 50,000.
Yes.
Na mostly thirikari neo mostly iria ciratwendwo Kenya ni cia thirikari. But companies no ciheane ki
bonds. Yes. Okay.
Aya treasury bills nacio ri ni short term. They are 3, 6 and 1 year. They are specific on days. No ciothe ri ninge no cia ki no cia thirikari.
Yes.
But riu iria si the equivalent ya company ya treasury bills not to get the commercial papers. Tuge Carbonita microfinance ni marenda gukomba mbeca. They can issue a commercial paper.
Yes.
They have a better rate. but no, it's a company that is borrowing from you. So wewe ita investor ni ukorora comfort yaku na your risk appetite kana no thie with treasury bill kana commercial paper. But you find commercial paper makiheana better returns. Treasury bills, no, when a CDS account at CBK, you can buy direct. Mostly mostly is because primary, but there are commercial, the investment banks, sigehana secondary.
Okay.
So the return mostly, edipta mainago ni kiria ni CBK. Monetary Policy Committee ya CBK ya Treasury tari ukirora last ni koretwo ikigwithia bonds treasury bills rate kiria CBR CBK rate muno. CBK rate ya soka thiri igatuma treasury bills ikate cicoke thi cia soka thiri cia wakora treasury bills are no longer attractive toria cirariki
hau kabere
last year.
Okay.
The effect of kakwiriri we option ya money market. Money market nayo it's so modura ura invest bonds in modura think long term. Modura uga besa ya kwali I'm okay, I can plan this for long. And it's good tali igikwira hena bond tuge ya miaka 20 kana miaka 25. You can be surprised we see any miaka mingi. But look at it this way. Modo abiria kuruta ina miaka 30. Modo sio alita ina miaka 60. Aruta ina miaka igana
30 years.
Aruta ina miaka 30.
Ora uga bond ya miaka 20 ni
haya. Nona ni alita haya. Ni aheo package ina miaka 60. Modo sio ri ni afatalite go plan investment. Ni afatiri go plan ka pension karia heo alitaya. Mundu cio ngithio bond ya miaka 25 mundu cio ni guaranteed ni assured ati ni alireheago every 6 months. Ni alireheago mbeca ciake for the next 25 or 20 years.
Na principle yake remain ako aigirira 50 ari guthagwo interest yield etagwo yield
ekeria etagwo coupon
ari guthagwo ga coupon every 6 months na mwisho ri no gakona kindu
ciake. Ucenji story yo we mundu wa retire aheo package
agutho icio
agutho milioni 5 agutho milioni 5 athie akorana na brokers mabroker wina mbeca ni cikwaragiria nikio njiraga andu mundu emenyeria gukoma na mbeca ciri okuo ni sawa no hena andu matakoma ciku
agikoma nyumba na mbia ikoma nyumba
ati
kwaja mbeca ni irikithira
ni cikwira nikio tureka guku na mabatha mai no mareka
no marathi na mbere.
So wake at mundu uyu ni waheo milioni ciaku 5 ugathiri ugakora iria yanyu ri na mundu wina biashara njega muno maybe ni dairy farmer kana na hardware kana na mukawa na biashara eno arutite miaka 3 kana 30 your neighbor kana person you want to emulate kana na matatu biashara eno toyo ule mundu urekaga ri kana ona serious ciake kuria supplier gari ugathi ukaigira mbeca ciaku iki
hau
na usigira na githuri tondu ciho example ira nene yukaga ri ni within 2 or 3 years utena experience njega mbeca icio ni cithiraga akora mbeca icio mundu ucio ndari haya nona advantage ule waigire bond ya miaka mingi ri ena ki mbeca ciake ciro intact comfortable hega pension maybe karoko mweri na mbeca ciake hena coupon ciroka na ngeteithio milioni 5 o milioni imwe afange bond ati o mweri no afange bond ta 5 akarihago maita 10 mwaka no mundu ucio at least ena regular income na nikio ku understand ni kumenya kuria riu kumenya kuria ugutwara mbeca it's very important. Tuge ni wa retire kana ni wona lump sum ciaku handu kuria ugutwara mbeca, even long term investment discipline ya part ya go preserve your capital na go protect your go preserve your capital na ku ensure we na regular income. So that is bond. Treasury bills maybe ni modo when a short term need wana kuiga mbeca treasury bill for 3 months 182 days 91 days wasiga maybe when a kaudoleka within 91 days basi yaku cigacoka weka atia wathi na mbere na project yaku. So na compare for example na tukuga average return ya average fixed deposit rates tuge ni kido 6%. Bond one treasury bill mwaka umwe ikuhe 9%. So you are better off in a treasury bill than in a fixed deposit.
That's true.
But it starts with information. The other option, which is now di kuri adu mokete muno, ni money markets ini. Money markets, they are an option sirahianaga last year jaga. But money market it helps you to invest for maybe short term. Now, as you wait to do something else with your money, and you find they can give a good return. To the average rate we see that kila kido 9%. Nisiwete muno 9-8%. So money market si investaga mostly treasury bills in fixed deposits, commercial papers in and the other depository papers, short-term papers, si investaga. But mostly a big percentage ikoro treasury bills in.
Okay.
And that's why, and of course, the bank will also put the money where in treasury bill.
Treasury bill. So it's short term.
In the short term.
Yes.
So actually, because of the risk and the dynamics, nolia maira mahana, ora fegi siki prefer ukobida with rikari because individual because it's business and they are looking at the risk. But I wish that can change. Niguo anacio biashara ri sikoro sikiona in career finance sia growth. So commercial papers ri treasury money market ri sikaiga besa treasury bills in sikaiga besa treasury bills in sikaiga commercial papers in sikaiga fixed deposit in. And because the biggest area kuna matwara the papers matwara besa muno ni treasury bills in. Now, the government has been lowering the rates to now around what I think 8.75. Then in the current CBR rate 8.75, I think so. Treasury bills then something else the government has done is Neroya bids ilia low their interest rates on treasury bills na bonds. Bids eka accept bids ilia low. You accept bids ilia low see low interest rates igatoma interest rates in the market because yekate so kadhi. So CBR rate ya so kadhi na ma accept nini the lower bids. Plus of also they also don't want to borrow at a higher rate. So it's also working for them.
Yes.
At the treasury bills idia bara kobaga not 16% last year. Now they're borrowing at 9%. You see they have saved the massive kido 8%.
Yes.
No gyoya example ya maboro ete kido 200 billion. 8% of 200 ni kido 16 billion. So, rani akavaga taxi kagatwara gila last year.
Karaga finance bill.
So, the burden igakuono ni investor. But of course it's working because even taxes ira throw it's not nesira kuria cirathi kuriha citirareha a lot of debts, but it's going to development, so it's working. So wakora on a daily basis,
Yes.
rates cia money market cirathi cigicokaga thi. So you find maybe someone who was earning from Treasury bill,
Yes.
100,000 last year, wakora they are earning below 50,000 per year. That's a lost revenue.
Okay.
So then wakora, that's money market. Then there are these special funds.
Mansa X.
Is Mansa X. An example of Mansa X and other funds in the market.
Hey.
All I'm talking about investments issues that they are all regulated. The institution they are regulated by Capital Market Authority.
Yes.
So special funds more exposure than government papers. Igatwara pesa na ke offshore na zikahota gukora cikiheana a good return. Other option, you maybe uge invest ne Saccos. No utwale pesa Saccos in. Saccos they give on capital, on share capital, give better return.
Yes.
On savings, they give another return.
Yes.
Wakora they are giving average to get do even 11 or 12%. So that becomes an option. Ya moduli maybe wenda kuiga besa Saccos in. And objective maybe no eloni. No imuteithie kuona maybe asset. So that becomes an option. Tondoli ugi compare and I say this is the best time maybe for any Sacco to grow. Todo bank rates ni ciathite iguru muno. Cia batera cigathakira kindu 18%. Saccos ikihana 12%. So Saccos should attract more deposits. Niguo andu mahota wake
loans.
But the unfortunate bit ni wakora riri maybe at some point issue ya management ya Saccos igakorwo drahota go satisfy the members. At whether only no one within the time that you want. But there are Saccos that are meeting that goal. So invest Saccos yakoro see other option yake ya investment. Other options ne shares. Yes. When now interest rates yasoka thire.
Yes.
Investors have moved to shares. And shares are doing well. So shares with information, investor know how to kumenya. What do I buy?
Yes.
And I gain experience. Like I said, we gain experience in shares. All the other investments become easy.
Okay.
But traditionally now, you ask yourself, I have invested in shares for so many years or these years. What have I gained? But there are people who, with experience, like Standard Investment Bank, the experience here to now ya miaka 30 ya go trade in shares.
Yes.
That experience help us now to guide our investors and also even to invest for our investors.
Okay.
So we add that now that adds value. So investments iko na kahida.
Okay.
Nisiko na movement. We the market certain market thiaga iguru we igathie sokete thi. But this is what we normally say. You know these investments, once you understand everything, it's important to overtake step. But maybe now we'll come to that later.
All right.
Yes.
Na njira nguhi muno now ujire, how much do I need to invest in treasury bills?
In treasury bills, mostly 50,000.
50,000
minimum.
How much money do I need to invest in treasury bonds?
About 50K.
50,000. How much money do I need to invest in shares?
In shares now it depends. Na shares oragora.
Okay.
Na minimum ya shares.
But of course there is minimum and maximum.
So we normally say as long as you have shares, focus with something significant area, you'll get a substantial 100,000 and above.
Okay. So how much money do I need to invest in money market fund for a start? And agencies, their salary ranges from 5 to 30,000. So it is not possible. And now, if I want to start investing right now in money market, kufatana biasikana ni magana meri ni sirigi.
Kuna shosia shirigi gana giri mwe. money market ngiri ĩmwe no wambie.
Okay. Na special paper nacio wauga commercial paper.
Commercial papers now ĩra depend na issue.
Okay.
Mostly kwesio now you see ithie gacenjia. Wakora urora mi issue the minimum nino. No uria the supply wakora minimum negi. Ali bonds ri nikora gwe fegi sikura minimum ne 500.
500,000.
We fegi sikura niki minimum uge invest niki no name in treasury bill. That's what they have designed, that they have makami design you. But uge the primary market ri wakora niki the 50,000.
Yes.
But for investors, as long as once you have when information you're there, kila yothe tugane abia.
Yes.
Take a step of faith. Ona muhujia ironaga kwa hujio no ginya audio ke mundu
eka kuhonoka.
Na no ginya wiki atia either waigwo kwa iguru
kana uke hari ari. So question ni twiragwo tauri hindi ndaragia na andu a CBK makanjira Kenya ni kuri andu gakundi kanene kagona andu mena mbeca. No ndamakire muno kuigua ati andu aria mena 100,000 nginya ciringi 300,000 ni andu anini muno. Last year turonaga andu aria mena ciringi 500,000 account ni andu 100,000 mau. 500,000 nio thini wa bururi wa Kenya andu mena 50 million. Haya uguo ni kuga atiriri andu aria mena ciringi 100,000 account ni ri ni anini muno. Uguo ni kuga atiriri kwi mundu urutaga wira akona meri akagura mutu akariha fare na akagura nyeni pia cia kaigathira hand to mouth. Is that the case?
And a big percentage area a category in which now omudu othe o category area uri hena kuna different needs at different level. Ati ikoro uran tuge fundita wa mujengo tuge ni kiruta ki 1500 kana ngirigire muthenya. Mundu ucio ni agiru no kuhuthira mbeca icio ciothe o muthenya ciothe. Aikoro no ahote kuhuthira even 500 kana 600 mundu ucio ni rasi 50% ya mbeca ciake. Ukakwe andu aria I'll give you an example I know of a certain area kundu wendagio serious. In that area kwi mundu uthiruka na kabuku hwaini. Most of them andu acio ni small traders. Maigaga ngiri o muthenya ucio maigaga ngiri o muthenya. Mundu ucio agikara thi umwithie ngiri 30 mwisho
ukunegera
no ngimwira atie go save no akuhe ngiri 30 so iko murigo munene muno. No ni marahota kwihinya masave ngiri imwe.
Yes.
Sia andu acio ri ni no uge ni low income but well thire mathondekete it's huge.
Yes.
Wanona nginya andu aya matwaraga boda kwina uri wona ne makete nyumba
imekora kitengela. Yes.
Kwina kundu kungi mekete modo manene with their income.
Yes.
No kwina angi mara complain. So it depends na kiria wina kiori. Nona rugano rwa Moses Ngai mwiri ate nikiwe na kio.
What do you have? Nikiwe na kio guko-ini waku.
Kiu nikio kiria wina kio nikio wagiro ni kurutithia wira. Na kiambagia na okay kwiangi of course matai na income. But of course mundu wothe aenda gukwe na level like ate ale na income.
Yes.
And working a level ya income that's where now we come and help you to manage kiria wona. Todo hena mundu ona kiingi na le ku mismanage na rucio ahane ta mundu tari.
Okay. Tukirikia wenda twariria ciengie na gutuika ni tumikavire tondu turia atiriri mundu wandikitwo wira na miaka 30 ekuruta wira miaka ingi 30 angi plan atia future kana retirement package yake in conclusion.
Good. Na leo nikio gwenda kugweta andu maita meri mundu wa biashara na mundu wa mushara. He mundu wa mushara uheagwo utinagio pension every month. So mundu ucio at retirement ena package ya retirement. haya hena mundu wa biashara nobody bothers mundu atangi advice eguthie akinye hindi atari na hinya wa kuruta biashara iyo atari na substantial saving so mundu wa mushara is taken care of na maybe deduction cia monthly cia pension he ungi utari ucio utari ri niyo tukugaga at least wagiro ku make sure no waiga mbeca kado for long term because you also need to plan for old age and that because life ni kona cycles ni kona cycles ya kuandikwo wira ni kona cycles ukinyaga ni wa family wenda guthondekera family nyumba ukinyaga nginya cycle ya gwicira horo wa legacy yaku ugutiga ciana ciaku ciikite atia cihana atia so mundu uyu wa mucara ri ina option new ya either kuiga besa option iria tuigire kana ona go choose even a pension fund so pension sikirikuo pension or go choose pension fund ri you pay a fixed amount for period besa icio at some point go plan kwa bagia wabia kuruta wira gutiri mundu tesiragia horo wa old age very few mundu that consideraga uria agenda mundu wothe ni akoretwo akienda go save
ndakuga maica no maya
ona ucio wakuga maica no maya ai musi ni kanua
all right no ne ikaraga agua gebanga
no taka mucemanio ri ndionaga andu haha twagirwo gwika atia so na tigukiuga tikwenyerekia muno by kuga ufange muturire wa rucio hena amount turigo nayo no wiki atia no ponde mali so besa ni ciaku you're supposed to enjoy because we have other cases when asio no leka totally no sikire ciake riu mundu wina biashara ri agirio gubanga agabanga besa ciake ati no athi aigite besa na wambia kuiga the moment what take step ya kwambia go save from the first year and it becomes a habit kajoi kaugathia gokite wakora ni wa achieve that now for adwala pension with option ya no pension hiyo no ukoro winayo but no thie wongerere igi towards that pension kana uthondeke what I'm seeing now ni andu maraturehera mbeca cia savings ukona mundu ni ahota go save every month and the good thing is I see a lot of joy muge discuss na mundu agikwira ni no adeithirie ndabirie na mbeca fulani na riu nginyite haha no menye example igi twaheagwo ni kiria twaheagwo ni mundu handu there's a guy anaga around 600,000 yes
mweli
there's a guy who was earning and he was young below 30 years that person was below 30 years so twaheagwo rugano ru to training tukerwa atiriri that person kwende athire kwa loan fegi magika analysis ri makibodi na loan
niki
haya example ira yaheanirwo ni reason ira yaheanirwo ni maanalyze statement yake maanalyze statement yake we asaipaga ki
kadi ni chop my money
so
mashana maya munene
thai komire mweri ekirafu fulani thai thatu wiginya ri ekirafu kingi as in within a day ni araswipe ki evidence yeho statement in tarago evidence yale hoki
kwa karatasi evidence kwa karatasi
haya mundu ucio besa ciake uria ahuthagira more than 300,000
kunywa
ni ugia trace statement in tarago they could trace that
rucio mundu risk ona insurance degi moda tondu akari ni aguthia nyue kahurwo
mundu uri uratwe training ni atwiraga atiriri magithie gutethera mundu ucio because this mundu wena income njega magithie kumutetera muri atiriri besi cia fegiri ta mwicirie ni kana ni cianyu mutwe ni cianyu no muhe mundu uyu
matingĩmũhe
actually aria matũtetagĩra nĩo matire decision
makiuga matingĩmũhe
makiuga ũyũ rĩ reke twĩke atĩa
tũbe tũtigane nake 600,000 that's good money
so and it happens a lot na club hoppings isiurona we are spending kuna andu mena magikara meke mathabu they can save a lot na habagia haria mufere nona thitima ya power mungerehe thina matemaga haria mita-ini
yes
so hena mundu angehe option ya gutiragiro gikenge-ini savings ini nikio wona nginya andu mahotete gu save mbeca nginya Saccos ini nikio wona nginya andu aria ndike makiriha loan monthly tondu iratinio haria
gikenge-ini
no ya gutinio mangitura bara ya kiria so it's more about doing more with what you have whether it's more or less you can start with any amount
okay very good twacokia ngatho muno ni twathoma maundu maingi muno ngwĩcia mundu utanathoma riu ni hake na gukiragwo njigua matu na hodi ndikwaire maguru tuikara tukiaragia wina kaundu kuongera
maybe in conclusion
yes
this is what we say maundu in my investment
yes
wanyitohoro wothe ri
yes
uka understand market ni cicenjagia so markets go up and down
okay
ndukamake market ciacoka thiri ni ciambatagira waigua kaundu ka investment take a step of faith start then ndukambie kaundu no tigage no gatiga not start and stop
be consistent
uko ati wambia kaundu gaka wenda kwambia umuthi rucio wenda gucenjia for example your studio ungianogire na after 3 months ni hathara ngiathire
yes
then finally every investment in a risk understand the investment risk be informed on what you are going to put your money in
Then two personal stories
yes
geda ukohe na maybe towards the end dena story riu ya mwisho one goretwo dena for example educate that thing wa entertainment industry don't know sound yakire ora kama sound ndio ma events makoragwo mari mega so ngwĩcia ni njejetie model yakwa ya biashara maita maingi muno kuma sound kuma entertainment tondu ringi twaguraga line ri 1.2 million muchaina agiuka akiambia kwendagia magana maigana matatu uguo ri andũ mwe thiini wa biashara nao ri what do they do makagwithia bei for example riu ningituma quotation ya 80,000 ri mundu gurite line ri ya Chinese egutuma ya cigana so where as a person ri uguthi that sawa so uguo biashara ya events ya sound kiambe githie two biashara ya events kuma 2018 igithie thi muno igithie thi pio events igithie thi pio ugakora andu matira spend much covid igiuka
yes
biashara igicenjia
kihingo pio kwaja
so riu ni maundu ma sound ngiamba gitigana namo so I've done farming gitigana nayo so no njiguiro kiuga atiriri ahediri they are very consistent it doesn't matter
yes
kana thutiendagia he will always sell sweets
yes
juu chini tari wadara mendagia megate I met the group adora mathondeka mugate wetagwo Broadway makihega story makia muno niguka wao wambiriirie tigira baba wao baba uratigira sons na sons megutigira sons and daughters ithui tutire ni hinya muno agiku ni hinya muno mundu ariki na biashara iria tau ni murakorire maguka ari chef
yes
na rugaga na thondekete kamuka wa kendi hau mimi siwezi kuweka hotel hotel siwezi consistency iyo ya gwika maundu thitu tukoragwo nayo
yes
no ahedi ni makoragwo nayo na ni matwarithagia na mbere ithui nete tungika tondu tukidagiria ta mundu wa mbere na hardware kana matatu ndarikagia nayo either twake nyumba cia ukomborithia kana twike farming niki tungika nigetha ona cio ciana citu cihote ku pick tondu njigua mathe akiuga atiri ni ndingitaga huko na cio ciana ciakwa
igatega huko yes na niho riu ngukuhe example ya mundu ria wake wa veterinary
yes
but time has come riu andu ni marathi makiranaga what we can do first is maybe mwana ni arathi kwambia ko an hena maundu maybe the parent arathoma at old age areuria I wish ni angiathomire young.
Yes.
So that's the information angiambia go pass wiki with the kid akiambia. The other thing ni riri, even for a parent it's important mundura able. I have seen cases a parent who have urabia even kwira mwana account ino ndahingura investment ri
Yes.
yaku ndekira x amount.
Yes.
Ndenda nyone gikatia
igikora
nona mundu ucio naheo kickstart na akabia wikati akabia journey.
Yes.
Other thing ndona riu nowadays riu ni turetwo maundu ma kwariria family as a family, as in ukona urathi ku advise a unit of a family so that everybody akorwo na primary information yake ya investment so that people can start early.
Yes.
Because the parents are learning now, they want their kids to learn.
Okay.
Urakora a parent ni arakwira, yes, I've invested with you, go talk to so and so. Ugathi you discuss, and if a parent says something, most of the cases no na siana nisira accept and it's working.
Yes.
Go kane kadu kage nyonaga ni you can be having a very good, actually an industry, but you don't want whether mwana waku weke atia adeko todo we were socialized no ginya weke atia wandiko but who is the major employer in Kenya ni Jua Kali.
Yes.
The major employer in Kenya ni Jua Kali. Jua Kali sector niyo employed adu aige muno Kenya. So once litu tuheria concept ya kwadiku toke concept ati I'm employed, what can I start?
Yes.
So as litu tusaje culture really, you can no accommodate your kid to your business.
Yes.
Ma continue nayo then we don't have to plan for them.
Yeah.
Hey, ugetigera kids methomere.
Yes.
And they can continue the legacy.
Very good. Yes. Kia mwisho ni kio gukwiraga ndakwiraga hede twacemanitie nawe horo wa mundu wanyendeirie tu shares. He kambuni imwe na ti kambuni ni Sacco ikoragwo Murang'a. Itago Unitas. So Unitas mundu cio ore ndugiuma. Wethaga investor. Taru goka gakwira ndegwa ndenda kuma Unitas gakwenderia. So I bought shares. Cia X amount of money.
Yes.
So gisitiga kou. No riu ri wana ni dividend ri magwikagirira. Handu magikagira. So you last week you were hiuke hauthi ndore. I was very shocked.
Yes, what you found?
Ndakenire muno. Ndaiguire wega muno. Ndaiguire wega.
Yes.
And mundu ucio ni ndaonete tare kuhingisha arahingisha. I really felt so good.
Yes,
because it is almost equivalent ya kira da invested. Almost equivalent. Ndatigania nayo na dida sokona ku-invest.
Yes.
But I think as you say compound interest rate. Mutagwo Warren Buffett augaga ni the 8th wonder of the world.
Yes.
Oguo beojithia ya maraigwa tukiana tu story ri. Ni mabire ku-invest.
KURIA TV, be a champion.